luminous markings along the aisle will show you the way to the exits, which are 2 doors at the front of the aircraft and 2 doors at the rear. All exits are marked in red. In case of a decompression, oxygen masks like the one shown by the crew will automatically be released above your seat. Before helping any other passenger, pull your mask firmly downwards. Place the mask over your mouth and nose. Fit the elastic band around the back of your head and breathe normally. For your attention, I wish you a pleasant and comfortable flight.
Gracias.